Alright, good morning everyone. Hope you're having a fantastic day so far. Today I'll be heading over to the station with the least amount of daily users in Saitama Prefecture. So I'm currently here at the station called Moro, which is also in Saitama Prefecture. I came here to film my dangerous railroad crossing video. And to head over to the train station with the least amount of daily users, I'm going to be taking this Hachiko line. The opposite direction though. This one's heading towards the station called Komegawa. There was no train announcement saying that this train was gonna come, and it just came with this one car. And I don't know if you can see, but it says 1 month over there, so there's only one train driver operating this train. I don't know if you noticed, but there are no electric wires on the top over here. That's because this train is a non-electrical train. It uses like diesel gas or something to run. Bye bye. One day I need to go to a train station where there's no konbini nearby, because that's when you know it's actually like in the middle of nowhere. This one had 3 konbinis nearby because there's you probably can't see, but 5 minutes away from this station there is a Saitama hospital, university hospital, and thankfully there's a trash can inside this train station. You won't see many in Tokyo because if you put a trash can in Tokyo, it's gonna be a freaking mess. Oh, here it is. I'm here at Takezawa Station, which had the least number of daily users in 2010. The reason why I chose this station specifically is because the station had 31 daily users. I'm going to repeat that, 31. And probably because of that, they stopped updating the data after 2010. So the main reason why not many people use this train station is because more people go to the Tobu Takezawa Station to take the Tobu Tojo line. That train comes more frequently and passes through popular stations like Kawagoe and Ikebukuro. On the other hand, the Hachiko line runs only once every 1 to 2 hours and operates between the west side of Tokyo and Gunma, making it less convenient. Here's the timetable for the Hachiko line. And it comes like once every hour or two, depending on the time. Sometimes it comes twice per hour. I don't read much books, so especially Japanese ones. I don't know any of these. And they look really old. Unmanned rural stations have these notebooks that people can write on. Wow. Someone drew this? Jeez. How long did it take to draw all this? And there are some YouTubers shouting themselves out on the notebook. 近くの Airbnb に1週間住むことになってたまたまノートを見かけたアメリカ人でつながりたい人がいればhe added his line ID here for those who wants to connect. By Eric. I don't know who Eric is, but if you're watching this video, feel free to leave a comment. Let's write something. Okay. Finished. If anyone happens to come to Takezawa Station, there's this notebook that says from 2023 September 21. Here's my here's my section. I drew the Hachiko line, and it looks exactly like it. I'm pretty good at drawing. Dude, it would be so cool if I come back here 5 years later and this notebook is here and I see that. Memories are so important, which is one of the reasons why I started this channel. I'm not gonna lie, that was a really fun part about this train station. I know they have these notebooks at most unmanned or quiet train stations, but it's my first time actually writing something on it, and it's cool seeing other people's message and their cool drawings. So if you go to an unmanned station, it doesn't have to be this one. Try to find a notebook and see what they wrote and drew, and you can write something over there too. You can even add your line if you want. Maybe someone will hit up on you or someone will be your friend. Who knows? Anything can happen these days. So I had to use the bathroom because I drank a lot of coffee, and the bathroom is cleaner than the park bathrooms in Tokyo. And I don't know if that's saying much, but still, it's not that bad. So since the next train doesn't come for a while, I'm gonna walk over to the Tobu Takezawa Station to take the Tobu Tojo line instead. It says it's a 10-minute walk along this road. This will be a good time for me to look around to see what's around. There's a big building over there. I don't exactly know what that is, but it's big. I wonder what it's like living around here. First off, you probably need a car. I don't think you want to rely on the Hachiko line to go to places. But I guess these people can also go to the Tobu Tojo line. Is that a gasoline stand? Oh, it looks so beat up. Alright, never mind. I don't think you can use it. There's nothing to fill up your gas over here. There's a car over there for some reason, but there's also a car wash section over here. I don't know if I want to wash my car with that. Okay, I'm very sorry. I should be promoting these places. I shouldn't be talking bad. So I will stop the negativity and be more positive. Oh, look at that. Okay, this is something to be positive about. Look at this view. Oh, this car, move out of the way. Nice view of the mountains. There's a convenience store here. That's not 7-Eleven. That's not Family Mart. That's not Lawson. It's called My Shop Chain. But it's not even open. Oh, look at how retro this sign is. I keep saying that. I think I've been saying that a lot in my videos recently. Convenience. I don't think I've seen many konbinis who spells out the entire word convenience in Japanese. They just shorten it to konbini most of the time. Wait, convenience store, my shop, Shingoya. Okay, so the name of the store is not my shop. It's my shop, Shingoya. I'm very sorry. There's also the tobacco vending machine here. And then a regular vending machine. What is this? Safety for you. Otona gacha. These are condoms. They have condom vending machines here. You can't just casually put that in between a tobacco vending machine and a drink vending machine. Do people even buy from there? I will slightly blur that section out in case, I don't know, I get flagged or something. I don't want that to happen. I'm having a great time filming, editing YouTube videos right now. Thanks to you guys, so thank you so much. Still for the Hachiko line. This might be the last time I'll see it. So, goodbye Hachiko line. I'll come back someday. So it is about 2:46 right now, and the train is supposed to come at 3:02. So I have about 17 minutes, which should be fine. If I get lost more times, I might miss it, which is unfortunate because that train comes once every 30 minutes. Now I'm going through this mysterious nature path. It's so nice. Damn, it's hard to believe that there's another train station here. I just don't get that vibe. Oh, here it is. Tobu Takezawa Station. It looks very empty. Oh wow, look at how low-key this train station looks too. I wonder what's the number of daily users here. I'll put in the subtitle over here somewhere. Wow, look at that. So there's a hiking course nearby here. So it's part of the reason why people get off here. And it says over here on the left side, there's 2 mountains you can hike. There's a break room over here where you can chill inside. And meanwhile, the train going to the other direction is here. Oh wow, look how low key this train looks too. This is also a one-man train. Alright, that'll be the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. The algorithm thinks you'll like this video as well, so check it out if you want. Alright, bye bye.